In a world where entrepreneurship takes center stage, setting up business credit for your home-based venture is a step you can't afford to miss. Imagine the freedom of having a robust credit history, separate from your personal finances. Intriguing, isn't it? Step 1. Establish your business as a separate entity. This means obtaining an employer identification number. Step 2. Open a business bank account. This not only solidifies your business's corporate veil, but also paves the way for your business credit journey. Step 3. Get a business credit card, use it responsibly, and you're on your way to building a strong business credit score. Step 4. Establish a line of credit with suppliers. This adds more credibility to your business. Finally, monitor your business credit report regularly. It's essential to ensure you're on the right track. Remember, building business credit doesn't happen overnight. It's an adventurous journey, a marathon, not a sprint. In the grand scheme of things, setting up business credit for your home-based business is a venture worth taking. It's about financial independence, credibility, and the freedom to expand beyond limits. So dare to take the first step and watch your business grow.